This is how I drive to work every day, even though it's snowing. Hey, 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 oh my gosh, yeah, yeah, yeah. There's a guy walking down the street, yeah. This got crazy, oh yeah, yeah. I'm driving, but he's walking. That dude's in his parka. He's like he's in the tundra. Arctic style tundra. I'm in two-wheel drive, not even four-wheel drive. You got these dopers that can't even drive. Roads aren't that bad, baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at that road. Oh my gosh. Look at this road. I'm driving in two-wheel drive. I can feel that snow in my bumpers. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Listen to that beat of that music. Yeah. Watch this. Look at that rail tunnel road right there. Oh, look at it. Oh my gosh. I'm sliding, just kidding. I'm not no more. I was on that patch of ice at the cross section. You know the road where it gets icy all the time. Look at that truck driving down the highway. Oh my gosh, he's flying down the flyway. Look at these roads. Look at the pond, it's frozen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Pond's frozen, baby. Yeah, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the highways. They are clear. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at the highway. Whoa. This highway is almost clear. So's the other side over there. Peace out, baby. I love you.